Morning everyone, here you are making a video on how to install halo lights and C-lights on your Subaru. Here we go!
Well, at this point, it's literally just looking up how to take out the front bumper. It's not that hard. If you guys can't do this, then obviously you need to look at other videos like Subi Speed, because they've done it several other times, and I'm not going to go over that. Just a little fast forward video of me doing it. Now, during this time, you're going to want to heat up the perimeter of the headlight and try to just heat up the glue. You don't want to heat it up so much that you actually melt the plastic of the back of the headlight, because then you be into problems after that. But notice that it's very difficult. Honestly, I would recommend actually putting it in an oven and just heating the whole headlight instead of constantly going back and forth and trying to heat up parts of the glue altogether. You can see how much I struggle there.
This is the tough part right here. I have to remove the C-light. For some reason or another, I'm not sure why, but this thing is tough to remove. And there's a little clip right here, and right, yeah, there. This one's broken off, but it doesn't really matter because these are the ones that matter right here. This one. See how it's just weird, very weird. There's a camera smudgy. Hold on. That's better. See how it's just weird. See if we can get it to work.
Alright, here. This is the part where everything's taken off and the headlights are painted. The housing is painted, and they are. I am ready to start actually installing the halo lights. They aren't really. Put this. They're not very good. These halo lights are very cheap, and I bought them for about $5, I believe, or $10 each. Not sure. But it came with a Bluetooth and everything that I needed basically to have a good look to it. But they didn't have a nice glue to them, so I basically made super glue, or just super glued them onto the headlights. That's basically it. And I'm just cleaning them right now just to make sure that they're properly um, on there, because you don't want to open these back up and re-glue them or have them falling off later on due to vibrations or something of that sort. And well, this is almost the finished project. As you can see, I painted the high beam housing into a solid, almost a matte yellow. I didn't want an actual chrome or an actual, very, very reflective paint, because I wanted to turn on my high beams and not be able to blind the people in front of me. So that's the reason why I went this way and, decided to paint them yellow. And as you see, I'm putting it back on and hopefully hoping that everything lines up, putting those two C light wiring and the halo light wiring through the actual C light housing or inlet where the original light would go. So, and and remind you, this is really tough. You just gotta take your time and just make sure that you are doing everything proper and make sure you're cleaning everything. Well, this is the finished project. As you can see, it looks very, very clean, very nice, and I love it. Personally, I think this is a good looks for the car and an amazing do-it-yourself. So make sure to like and subscribe so that I can make more videos and keep you guys updated on the vehicle.